Searching for a sofa can be a real pain in the There's so many options and details to think about. But in this video, I'm going to show you what you're really buying when you're going to these furniture stores and they're selling you sofas that are in $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 range. I'm going to show you what's in the inside. But if you're new here, hi, my name is Wayna and I make rental-friendly interior design videos. So if you're a renter or just somebody working on a budget, then consider watching more videos and joining the fam. I purchased my sofa in 2019 and the arm of the sofa has been sagging for a while. And of course, I purchased the 3-year warranty when I got the sofa. So it's been on my mind to make sure I contact them so I can get it fixed while I'm in that warranty. Well, I did go ahead and reach out to them. They did send out a technician. And so he came today and I just have to show you how cheap these sofas are. And I've done some research. I feel like I've done more research now than I did when I actually bought my own sofa. But knowing what I know now, it is crazy. Like crazy how cheap these sofas are. But anyway, based on what I see inside of the sofa, I would have to classify this sofa as being poor quality due to the construction. The first telltale signs is the zigzag springs. This is the most common spring system used, but it's not the strongest. If you want a sofa that is very sturdy and high quality, then you want to choose a sofa that has the 8-way hand-tied coil springs. It is usually more labor intensive, but it's high quality and you will not have any sagging problems in your sofa. The next thing that lets me know that this sofa is poor quality is the frame. They have used particle board on the perimeter of the sofa, but then they chose to use plywood in the middle. Now the problem is the plywood is heavier, and so after a while it can start to sag, and so you're going to see the technician sawing off parts of that plywood and reinforcing it, because again the plywood is not very sturdy. And so to counter that, he's putting plywood where plywood should have been to begin with, instead of running it into particle board. So the moral of the story is, unless you bought furniture a few centuries ago, you're going to get cheap materials, or you have to spend an astronomical amount of money to get quality. And then as you can see, the plywood is no better because it'll split on you. So he had to redo one of the boards that he ran in because it split right down the middle. And then they just, tack everything back in like nothing happened. But yeah, this is what you pay for when you buy a sofa. All right, boo, I know this video was super short, but come back tomorrow. I have a surprise video and I cannot wait to share it with you. All right, as always, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you on my next upload. Later, boo.